All right, we're gonna make a fort in the woods.
Dog. All right, now we're gonna put this stick on that, in between the two cracks on the tree.
We're gonna break this.
So just keep it in there so I can snap it. Oh yeah. That,
You're gonna break the V.
got it.
Watch out, Jeffy.
Watch out, Jeffy.
Let's just twist it around. That's how I can put it. This is the line to go across. That's good. That's perfect right there. We can go like something like this.
Get this freaking sucker in the ground. It's too short. Okay, we'll probably do it the other way, the big part, but actually it might be okay. All right, let's just.
Where are we gonna put it?
Right here. Right. One of these.
We should probably rake out everything first.
Yeah.
Let's just rake out where we want to be.
And we're gonna have to get like dry stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be right here.
And we can have this basically this hole right here. This
Where the fort was.
Yeah, is this where it was? Yeah. All right. So we're gonna put this branch right here in the ground, right here.
No, right here.
Right there.
And it's gonna go across. It's called lean to.
Yes, that's what it's called.
Making
All right.
lean to in the woods. Wow. It's definitely helpful that the ground's wet. Yeah, actually just do it. I know I'm not sure. I'm sure you can.
Is that good? We can just add rocks now. Oh, what if I just...
Yeah, let's put some in there.
All the way. Yeah, I just want to see it stopping. Gotta get wider so the rocks don't fit.
No, don't get that's the thing. So you ready?
Yeah, put it in there. Go ahead, put it.
You guys just stick the rock in.
Yeah, just...
Alright, there you go.
Actually, let's put this one. Bigger part.
Now this side, yeah. This side. You just gotta dig out this side a little bit more, actually. Just dig that side. And get it. No, on this side.
You gotta add dirt. You gotta add more dirt, though. It's just still too long.
We're just gonna fill in all these cracks.
Yeah.
Now I'm tying it, so
He's tying the log to the log.
just wrap it around.
Did you find the cricket?
I killed it.
Good.
I just checked the rock in the direction and it stopped.
I got it. Let's see. We just found this rope in the woods on the fence.
It's
It's in there.
it's fun. Yeah.
This is.
You keep it wide.
We should probably start with this side and push it that way, and then add the other side. Okay.
Out of place but honest, I'm afraid to jump in. Hidden play, there's nothing to say. Come back from the grave, it's getting me, I go with Aiko. Sitting in place, it's time that I cave. I miss what you switch and come out of the lane.
Alright, first layer's done. Now I'm gonna start adding layers in between here, just to cover.
I don't know what to do.
Yo, we're just like in the back of the woods right now.
One day I was finding myself like I lost in here.
Bushwhacking, huh?
One day I was here.
Bro, why do you just come into the back of the woods and just like...
I started walking. And then I got
so depressing of you. Just going and walk. This is where we stepped on our nails. No, that was over there.
That was with you.
That was so stupid. Help!
I want to go home, man.
Filming right now.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna get up there, so I'm gonna cut to when I'm up there. All right, I'm up here.
He's up. All right, let's go find a stick. Throw me the phone. That was cool.
Never got enough for you. To the next beach, like my buddy Martin. This little one stuck up in the market. Chase up and down, trying to find an option, babe. Boys in the back looking for a lighter. Lost on the road, someone be the driver. I'll live a little if I'm gonna die today. Getting sicker than a break that I'm waiting on. At the break of dawn, she's thinking about a change and I'm catching on. I'm thinking how to pay when I'm moving on to the next stage. Just give me a minute. All my plans still up in the kitchen. Things get a little dark when I'm all alone. Ooh, babe, tongue is so red like Kool-Aid. No more than a kiss, I'm too late. I don't know what to do.
Now, I'm gonna do this side.
Too late, never got enough for you. Ooh, babe, tongue is so red like Kool-Aid. No more than a kiss, I'm too late. I don't know what to do. You're just in my head. Please don't wake me when the morning comes, 'cause at least in here
That hole's done. Now all I gotta do is clear out the inside because it's really messed up. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm done.
this is only a dream. I can't see anything.
Alright, so the fort is done for now. I can easily sit up straight like that. It's easy. I can lay down flat, and my feet are not even barely out. Yeah, comment what you want us to do next to the fort. Alright, thanks for watching. Wait for part 2, because it's coming.